Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on tangrams. A tangram starts off with a square. The square is cut up into different plane shapes. These shapes can be a mixture of triangles, smaller squares, parallelograms, etc. When the shapes are cut up, they can be rearranged to form many interesting and different shapes. 5-piece tangram. A simple form of a tangram is seen below. The original square is cut into 5 pieces, and you can easily see the 5 pieces there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another example of a 5-piece tangram. A good exercise would be to draw either of the above tangrams, cut out each individual shape, and see how many different shapes can be made. The following tangram consists of 7 flat shapes that fit together neatly to form a large square. Like the 5-piece tangram, the 7 shapes can be rearranged to form many other shapes. The 7-piece tangram is a popular puzzle and is used all around the world. The 7-piece tangram consists of the following smaller shapes called tans. You have 2 large triangles, 1, 2, 1 medium triangle, there it is there, 2 small triangles, there and there, 1 square, which is the red one here, that red one, and 1 parallelogram, which is that one. When the smaller pieces are rearranged, they fit together to form a number of different animals. This activity is very popular among students and adults because of the challenges it presents. Some of the animals formed are seen on the next slide. Now these are a few examples. We have a bird, a swan, a horse, and a cat. Many more animals can be constructed by rearranging the shapes. Other shapes like the following can also be made. Here's an example of a rocket, and there's an example of a person. Can you rearrange the shapes to form any other picture? Now, if you find it a little bit difficult to use the 7 shapes, you might say choose to use 6 of them, or 5 of them. You might like to start off that way. So this video has given you a good introduction into tangrams, and it's shown you how different shapes can be formed by the smaller shapes.